morning, teacher and classmate. Today I'm going to talk about my routine daily life Friday. I wake up in the morning at 8 a.m. I don't wake up in the morning at 6 a.m. I have English class at 12:15 p.m. I don't have French class at the afternoon. I study in Cybertech Institute, and the evening I don't study in Senati Institute. My mother likes to cook early before noon. My mother doesn't like watching TV. My brother plays soccer in the morning. My brother doesn't play tennis in the afternoon. My father works from at home. My father doesn't work outside home. Sarah and me today official of my presentation. Darf for your attention. Thank you very much. Thank you.